A nice little thing here, a magic bottle. It's full of surprises, although it's empty of anything else. Let me take the lid off and I'll show you. You see, what you can do is to get a piece of rope and shove it in there, and it slides in very easily, and of course it slides out very easily. And it does that on the side, and it does it, in fact, anywhere until I tell the bottle to behave. Bottle, behave. Now the rope won't obey the force of gravity. What's more, I can hold the rope, and the bottle won't obey the forces of gravity. And you're saying the rope's stuck inside there? Well, of course it's not stuck inside there. It comes out just as easily as it goes in. So it really is a magic bottle. Well, not really. You are right. There is something in there. And it's just this, if I tip it up, it's a little ball of aluminium foil. All you have to do is to take a piece of aluminium foil and tear off some bits like this, roll them up in your fingers, keeping them fairly loose, but working them down into a sphere that's just small enough to fit into the neck of the bottle. It goes in there and it stays inside the bottle itself. I've got one over here and I can show you how the whole thing works. There we are, little bottle with the little pill, if you like, of aluminium foil there. Now when you put the rope in, out, as easily as you like. It just goes in and out quite smoothly until you tip the bottle upside down. Then that little aluminium ball jams the rope against the neck of the bottle, so the rope doesn't come out. And if you tweak on the rope, it jams it so securely that it'll actually hold everything in position until you take the tension off, ball drops to the bottom, and the rope comes out freely. So that's the little magic bottle. It's quite a good conjuring trick. It's been known for years. Well, of course, the trouble is, when you're making one of these, to find a bottle that is so dark that you can't see the little ball operating inside the neck. So you can start with a brown bottle, and I've coloured this with felt pen to make it a bit darker, or you can get a clear bottle of this kind, put a piece of, or a bit of paint in it, and shake it up and down, and it will come out opaque, and no one will be able to see inside it. Then it's just a matter of winding the ball into a tight enough sphere to fit inside the neck, getting a fairly soft bit of cord or yarn, and you've got your own magic bottle.
I want to know. Curiosity.